This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So first of all, you will need to open the Settings app. Then enter the Google category. Onwards, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Next, open Data and Privacy page. Scroll it down. Then choose the Delete Your Google Account option. Then, in order to continue, we will need to input the Google account password. So let me quickly do that. Then at the following Delete Your Google Account page, you gotta check those two boxes and tap at the Delete Account button. Now, at this point the parental controls were switched off, so let me quickly show that to you. And it might take some time for the system to register this fact that we have erased the Google account and therefore removed all parental controls. So let's wait for the system to acknowledge those facts. So let's see if the changes were actually updated over here. For some reason the system still does not recognize save changes. So I guess let's give it a little more time at this point. Alrighty, so at last, as you can see, the Google account disappeared. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So the final thing that I have to do is to recover the Google account that I have just deleted. So, it will not be lost, whatever. So I'm going to use the Google Play Store app for it. Simply input the email address of the saved Google account. Then, after proceeding, you should get the following message that says that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. So follow this message by entering your Google account password. And 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Just re-enter your Google account credentials one more time. And as you can see, it led us through the second time, no problem. So now we will finalize the Google login procedure. And at this point, it is kinda apparent that the Google account was successfully restored or recovered, since we are able to sign into the Google Play Store app with it. So I would call it a day. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.